Nung food tripping pantunan mo abe, siguradong eme palampasan ng Bayong Buklat a restaurant king Siudad ng Angeles. Pinuklat siya king Korean town ng Aron'S Smokehouse Grill, ama ng pang-American Southern homemade recipe, kalupa ng smoked ribs, chicken, beef ameluto, kilog ng 4 hanggang 6 oras. Tara makita kamtamo kimbalita ng Patricia Mamangon.
Paniguradong manulo na kawawa, kareng talaga namang makatakamaputahi ketiking Bayong Buklat a Aron'S Smokehouse and Grill, king Korean town, Siudad, Angeles. Pagmaragol ning restaurant, reng American Southern homemade recipe, at tunay kanong authentic ing lasa, kalupa na namon ning smoked ribs, manok, baka, ating pangkayabeng mashed potatoes, alinuto king traditional na paralan. At ready, makasyang la, kilub ning 4 hanggang 6 oras king meto nga oven, ang personal na pang dinisenyo ning makibanding i Robert Kilgore. Gamit ing liquefied petroleum gas ang pongdutong, paninayan niyang maluto ing karni king may nang api, ang magdagdag king lambut at lasa na niti. Aminado ay Kilgore na mahilig ya talaga king pamangan, lakwas at miyaya liwang lugal na rin kayang alibot. Iting sangkan niya telakad ne ing sarili ng restaurant.
The concept of the food come from my experience in the oil field before I retired, traveling all over the world and eating different cuisines. The cuisines that I liked and everything I wanted to offer to other people and come up with new concepts on old dishes and everything and feed people good food and hope they enjoy it.
Buri na kanong atak mandareng kabalen ning authentic o tunay lasa ning smoked meat akarelang aapag king Amerika.
The specialty of the restaurant is smoked meat, but also international dishes from the Philippines, from Mexico, from Vietnam, from the United States, and from England.
Kawani king kalidad ning pamangan, pagmaragol na mo naman ning Aron'S, ing serbisyo ating affordable a presyo king menu.
To provide the community with good food, good service, at a good price.
Bay J. Kilgore king Mississippi, USA at meg desisyon niyang idalaketi king Angeles ing karelang homemade recipe. Manampang niyang aliwa pang putahing Aron'S Smokehouse and Grill, kalupaning slider with potato fries, chicken wings, chicken gumbo, spicy shrimp, calamares at aliwa pa. Malyarila naman makapamili ring customers karang international dishes nung rin atin lang Mexican, Vietnamese ang pang Filipino favorites. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para King News Force, Pampanga. Balitang tutuking balen, susuyo.